Hey everyone, want to create zip files using WinRAR? Zip archives are great for combining multiple files into one package, reducing file size, and making files easier to share. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create zip files with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open the folder containing the files you want to put into a zip archive. Select one or multiple files and folders. You can hold *Control* while selecting individual items, or press *Control plus it to select everything. Now right-click your selected files and choose Add to Archive from the WinRAR menu. This opens the archive creation window where you can configure the zip file. Inside the archive settings, find **archive format ** and select zip instead of RAR. Choosing zip makes the resulting archive widely compatible with Windows and many other operating systems and applications. Next, choose your compression method. The available options can include store, fastest, fast, normal, good, and best. For everyday zip files, normal ** is usually a good balance between compression speed and file size. Now enter the name you want for your zip archive and choose where you want it to be saved. You can save it in the same folder as the original files or select a different destination. If you're creating a zip archive containing private files, you can add password protection. Click ** set password, enter a strong password, and confirm it. If WinRAR provides an option for encrypting file names, enable it when appropriate. Once you've configured everything, click ** OK **. WinRAR will now compress the selected files and create your zip archive. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a few seconds or longer. Finally, open the zip file and make sure the contents are correct. You can also extract it to a separate folder to confirm that all the files were packaged successfully. For the best experience, use zip when compatibility is important. Choose normal compression for everyday tasks. Use a strong password for sensitive archives, and keep backup copies of important files. Remember that compression doesn't replace a proper backup, and that's how to create zip files with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're combining files, reducing their size, preparing documents for sharing, or creating a password-protected archive, WinRAR makes creating zip files quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.